unfortunately this implant site is really facially out. It's kind of the all on both types. But this one is almost permanent and then we can give them the maximum happiness. So I'm going to give you more trick after I finish this. Full implant, and then unfortunately this implant site is really facially out. So there's not many options out there. So they can do, we can make these bite is out facially, which is patient doesn't like the bulky. Then I can make the better alignment. That's one option compared to what patient has. I don't want to go to the class 2, which is patient needle 2. So it's 1 has a long span, 2, 3, 4 is kind of the all on both types, and which is a little bit challenging. But most of the dentists made it screw retain hybrid denture. That's period, which is inexpensive restorations. Compared to this, that lab cost is probably half cost compared to Syton 7-star cases. And I illustrate so many video regarding acrylic hybrid dentures, which is the non-resistance, the flag, and easily pop out the teeth, and patient eventually is not happy about 2-3 years later. But this one is almost permanent, and then we can give them the maximum happiness. Not only the finer, because we made it very thin, and there's highest aesthetic, and the all ceramic is not composite. Okay, so we made it all ceramic. You can see in my previous video. They make the great integrity here. My dilemma is here. So after we back and forth, the PMA made his screw hole, which is nobody like that. Okay, so I'm going to give you more trick after I finish this, and we evaluate the lower teeth, all natural teeth. Okay, tooth movements engage with opposing, and the lower dentition has an effect. Not many professional dental professionals do not know why I made 2 pieces instead of the 1 piece. 1 piece is a problem is I made before, trust me, and then problem chip out, and it's not longevity, it's a cracking easily. But whenever I made 2 pieces, it's from the here and finer, and then we cement together, and then we bond it, just like it's very strong. And has a mobility is way better. I don't have any problem, almost none. I would say 1 or 2% problem. Okay, so that's why I highly recommend the Syton 7-star cases. Instead of the regular full mouth zirconia. Full mouth zirconia you can do, but it's full implant. They must have to make the very, very thick, otherwise eventually cracking. Okay, that's not option either too. And also heavy compared to this. And look at this, is what we made this. It's like just like piece of work, right? Piece of art. ceramic and ceramic. I know a lot of people using the titanium underneath. They put the composite, which is really bad. My tools, I'm not going to do that one. And I know what they're doing because easy, but this is very tough. It's like our approximation here. I'm trying to make the composite here after I cement it, and then I can hand out to the doctor. The doctor can use with a stick this, and then they can put together temporary cement. So after they screw down, then when they need it, 1 years later, they can reuse that one. Okay, so this one is the Syton 7 stars. Doctor patient chooses bleaching. Color. This is pretty unique. Look at this. Sorry for the noise outside. I'm working with my lab, and I care about the cases. And then I all the time see this, just make sure everything is right, just like another. It's great work. So now we can cement together and accept this. Okay. And then bite will be good. So make sure the 1 by 1, 3 unit to 3 unit. I'll show you soon. Next video. Okay, so this is the another trick, the composite, trying to help the dentist, and then we're going to give them this stick, and then so doctor using this one after they took down the screw. That's one really has more the facial core area, so they can cover it 100%. They can use this white little bit, that will be good. So this is a final. Alright, so now we're using the amber. So can you put it back? So now color is much better. Yeah, that's what doctors want. So almost same color. Yes, the bottom one. Yep, so this is closest color we can get.